And Warren, this is Charlie Rose with ShelfGenie. I just wanted to get the proposal in your hand so that way you could take a look at it and see if you had any questions. I want to go through the design in just a little bit more detail so that you can both kind of see what that kitchen might look like should you decide to move forward and add these solutions in that space. Certainly, it's going to make things easier to access. If we look here to the area to the left of the stove, what I'm showing you we can do is we're recommending a 5-inch height drawer box, which is what we call our double height. That gives ample opportunity for you to stack things in there without the worry or the concerns of things falling out. Here I'm just showing, for example, you can have like your Tupperware with lids and things in that particular space, and it really confines it. Again, this makes it really easy to get to as it pulls out. It's 100% all the way out of the cabinet. It's got a 100-pound load rating per drawer, so it's going to allow you easy access to it. Now, we've opted to go with a basic package. Still a really good package. It has the wood bottom as opposed to the melamine bottom, which is scratch resistant and non-porous. So if you spill something on it, it's much easier to keep up and maintain with the classic package. The basic package that you guys opted with, there's nothing wrong with that. We just recommend you put a liner in it. There is some slight differences in the rail quality, but it's still a very good quality rail. But it's one of those things, if you're interested, we can look at the classic option as well. Here to the right of the stove, what we're going to do is do the same thing. 2 drawer boxes there. Keep in mind that the second one, or the one on the top, can be at a different height. It doesn't have to be at a preconceived height anywhere throughout. We can base it on whatever the tallest item you plan on putting in the top drawer or the tallest item in the bottom drawer, and adjusting that accordingly. Then here, this very last one, where you got your pots and pans, just showing you real simple what it would look like in this particular space here. So you've got drawers that are going to be pretty deep to allow you access and be able to store items in that space, and then be able to push that back into the cabinet quite easily. An alternative option that I want to show you for that one particular cabinet that's quite popular that we do is, if you wanted to, you could add a divider in there. And depending upon how often you use the lids or not, that divider can be in the back and the front. It's adjustable, so it can be anywhere in this space going across or front and back, based on what design you want to do. But you can put your lids in there. If you do not use your lids more than 50% of the time, this is a great way to store them in that back space. If you use them all the time, you can put the divider in the front, so that way it's easy to get to. But it allows you to nest your pots and pans a little bit more effectively together, and you don't have to worry about that. So that's just an incremental cost if that's something you wanted to add to it. But overall, you can see the design here. I think this is a good solution to allow you easy access into that space. So if this is something you're interested in, let me know. I would need to do a detailed measure just to check everything out, as opposed to the laser measure that I did there. So sometimes that can be a little bit off. But just let me know. We'd love the opportunity to earn your business. And just so you know, too, as far as the installation goes, I would be the one doing the installation as well. So everything that we've talked about, none of that gets lost in translation, and you guys would be on par with exactly what we're going to be doing. So again, I appreciate your time. I hope this is something that we can earn your business. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much. You guys have a great rest of the week.